Germany, Egypt, Armenia, and Judea all have one thing in common. They're all conquered by the Roman Empire that issued coins to commemorate their victory. But one of them is different than the others. Egypt was already under Roman control. Julius Caesar married Cleopatra VII, and after he died, she married Marcus Antonius. The Roman victory over Egypt was an internal conflict between Augustus and Marcus Antonius. When he managed to defeat him, he minted the coins of Egypt or Capta. Egypt is captured, featuring a crocodile that represented Egypt. A few years later, he marched with his armies to Armenia. He removed the anti-Roman king and put in a pro-Roman king. So there was no actually war, just a change of kings. That is when the Armenia Capta coin was minted. At that time, Judea was under Roman control, but in the year 66 CE, the Jews rebelled against the Roman occupation. During that time, Jews minted independent coins mentioning the freedom of Zion and shekel of Israel. However, in the year 70 CE, the rebellion was crushed. That is when the Romans minted these coins. The most famous one is Judea Capta, minted by Vespasian. Those were minted for nearly 10 years in many different variations. Here is a different example, and here's a Greek variation minted by Titus, the son of Vespasian. When Titus died, his brother Domitian went on a campaign against Germanic tribes. He didn't really take over all of Germany, he only pushed the border, but it didn't prevent him from minting the coins of Germania Capta. Germany is captured. Anyway, that is how we have the coins mentioning Germany, Egypt, Armenia, and Judea. Now, when Israel gained independence, they minted a medal commemorating on one side Judea Capta and on the other Israel Liberata. Israel is finally liberated.